Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Cherokee County in north central Keysota, Medina County in north central Keysota, Beltrami County in north central Keysota.
Just 3,000 more just to reach the highway to Spike.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Cherokee County in north central Keysota, Medina County in north central Keysota, Beltrami County in north central Keysota.
Just ignore it. Just my little sister crying. No.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Cherokee County in north central Keysota, Medina County in north central Keysota, Beltrami County in north central Keysota.